Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories, and what do we have today? Well, we have a Jeep Wrangler, and I'll show you what we've done. But if you have questions, that is our telephone number. We have great answers. By the way, Buddy, our master tech, is behind the camera, and everything you see on this video, he actually installed. Like, for example, this has the Best Top E-Top. It's electric top, which has its own video. Rockside Engineering Power Steps, and we did some XK Glow. We did a couple different things. We'll start with the spare tire. And okay, D, let's see what it looks like. Let's start with hitting your brakes. There you go. All right, let's see with your daytime running lights. Very nice. And go ahead and go in reverse. Okay, there you go. And it also has RGBs in it with real white light. Okay, now it's going to have a little W at the end there. Oh, turn signals too. Go ahead and put the left on. Put in park. Let's see the turn signal. There you go. Okay, right one. There you go. And like I said, it does have a real white light, which is instead of the regular white light, so it's going to be a little brighter. All right, so let's go ahead and see some of the RGBs here. Now this is going to work with an app. Everything else works with the vehicle itself. So, all right, D, hold on, stay with the blinker. Okay.
No brake, no lights.
Okay, no brake, no lights right now. Okay, she got her lights on, I guess. There we go. There's your RGBs on there. And these are nice. Basically, these are designed for if you go into your nice little Jeep meet and you want to kind of have some lights. Now, we did put matching lights all the way around the vehicle. So we're just going to show you this part right now. But we did lights underneath the vehicle and in the wheel wells. And we'll be showing you that in a second. But again, they have different models of the spare tire kit here. This is the one with the RGBs with the real white light, which is, I believe it's a WT or TW, whatever it is. But again, if you buy from us, we'll go over all that with you. We've done a lot for this gentleman with his Jeep, and he's been a great customer, and we're really happy they came to us to let us do this. Makes a wonderful video. I love how this looks, by the way. I love the fun stuff like this, and that's what it is. It's fun. Now, the other stuff does actually help with safety. For example, when you hit your brakes and it lights up the back, you know, less chance someone hitting you, especially if they're on the phone, not paying attention, having those extra lights. Just going in reverse, having an extra white light, brightening up the area behind you. All works very well. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories in this review with the XK Glow on a Jeep Wrangler. And again, it's a spare tire kit with the real white RGB on there. And don't forget, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.